As I grow older and as I acquire experiences along the way, I realize that the best things in life are the simplest things. And the foundation and the cornerstone of everything is what you do to your body, to your skin, to your life. First thing when you wake up in the morning really matters a lot. It matters in skincare, it matters in your lifestyle, it matters in your spirituality, it matters in all aspects of life. What do you do when you wake up in the morning? Do you rush to the bathroom, applying your skincare? We're not doing all of that today. We are focusing on drinking our skincare. I'm going to teach you two things that you have to do every morning. It doesn't matter if you have acne prone skin, pigmentation, melasma, wrinkles, dull tire skin, lack of sleep, whatever your skincare concern might be. Adapt the two things that I'm telling you today, and you will end up more beautiful and radiantly glowing as you age. Wait, you have to start the day with detoxifying your body. If you want glowing skin, radiant skin, less puffy face, less wrinkles, whatever your skincare problem might be, or let's paraphrase it, whatever your skincare concern might be, starting to detoxify your skin from this inside out. I mean, a lot of us not know that the hallmark of our beauty starts from your gut flora. If your gut flora is not at its optimum and most efficient state, I'm sorry to tell you, you're going nowhere. It's going to affect your health, it's going to affect your skin, it's going to affect your overall well-being. And we start all day by taking symbiotics and probiotics. I wholeheartedly recommend that you take probiotics every single day. Probiotics help to preserve a healthy digestive environment and play a critical role in our immune system, 80% of which resides in our gut. As adults, we have around 400 different species and strains of friendly bacteria in our digestive system. When we are healthy, we have about 80 to 85% of friendly bacteria. When there is an overbalance of unfriendly gut bacteria or unfriendly bacteria in our system, and the percentage of friendly bacteria diminishes, it creates conditions known as dysbiosis. Probiotics can help restore our internal balance and will increase our vibrancy and overall health in the following ways: improve digestive functions, helping to eliminate constipation and diarrhea, improve liver function, improve resistance to allergy, improve vitamin synthesis, specifically the manufacturing of B vitamins, increases energy, improve the absorption of nutrients, and it helps to eliminate bloating and heartburn. Most of your skincare concerns and conditions starts from the gut. This is both probiotics and symbiotics two in one. First of all, drink your water, your detoxifying water, lemon water, or just drink water. Take one capsule and drink alongside with your water. Do not forget to consult your dermatologist before trying this out. If your gut is unhealthy, do not expect to have a healthy, glowing skin. So I'm telling you guys, start your day with probiotics and symbiotics, and it will enhance and change everything else on your skin. Moving on to step number 2, and that is drinking your minerals. We start each meal with raw vegetables or grains to ensure we are getting a plentiful supply of enzyme-rich food to increase enzymes serve. This glowing green juice is pure liquid nutrition that will fuel our bodies. As we cleanse and become more alkaline, we need less stimulation from solid food in the morning. And the glowing green juice provides enzymes, minerals, vitamins for our bodies, and does not slow down a bit. Since the glowing green juice is stripped of fiber, it is a system in a stronger cleansing way. I know nowadays we do not have season for everything, but you can mix and match according to season. And when you buy your fruit and vegetables, ensure that it is organic. Yes, guys. Otherwise, you're gonna be drinking and ingesting a lot of pesticide into your bloodstream. You can either juice this or you blend it. So all you need is celery, coriander, kale, apple, and lemon. These vegetables are sacred and it is super nutritious. This is how you get your vitamins and nutrients without trying too hard. You can wash your vegetables with apple cider vinegar, baking soda, or salt. I'm using salt in this video because this is what I have readily at home. It is even more potent and deep cleansing because there is no fiber in this drink. You can do it 1 hour after consuming your probiotics in the morning and enjoy. I have the silicone ice cube at home, and look at it. Look at this. Look at this. When the glowing green juice is frozen, it's so easy to unmold. This makes it even more exciting and thrilling to do at home. If you want to blend this every day to drink at home, whoa, that's amazing. If you don't have enough time to do this every day, I have a little trick for you. You can blend a lot and put in your refrigerator and drink it for the next 3 or 4 days in this card. For my busy friends, you can make a big batch once a week or once in 10 days and freeze in your refrigerator. The color might go from bright green to dark green does not mean the efficacy is not the same. It still contains all the nutritional value of this nutritional green glowing juice. This can really help you stick to the plan and ensure that you are getting your glowing green smoothie every morning. You can look beautiful and age anti-clockwise with simple tips and tricks without trying too hard. Here is how it helps to improve your skin. Improve the absorption and assimilation of beauty minerals and nutrients. Helps to slow the aging process by preserving the body's own enzymes. Promote efficient digestion. Free up beauty energy to rebuild and replace damaged cells, including the collagen of the skin. Increases energy, enhances cleansing, which can improve acne. Minerals are necessary to build our beauty. Our most plentiful sources of minerals are grains and other vegetables. Decreases bloating, gasiness, and constipation, and other imbalances. The first thing to not forget is probiotics, and follow with your glowing green smoothie. Thank you guys for watching, and once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel